Hey beautiful people, I wanted to experiment with a 5x5 closure wig by only leaving out a centimeter of leave out. So in this case, I wanted to make it look as natural as possible. This is Asteria's 5x5 kinky curly wig in 20 inches. And when I tell you, it blends with my curls so good, like look at that. So first off, in the box, it comes with a satin bonnet and of course some edge brushes that has like the dual-ended side. I collect these all the time. And then it has 2 wig caps and a melting edge band, which I'm not going to use those two since I am basically leaving some hair out. And then of course a satin pouch to put your wig in to store it. And then they love giving these lashes. So first off into the wig, this is how it looks straight out of the box. I did shampoo and condition it before applying it onto my head, and it is already pre-bleached. And like I said, this is a 5x5, but it blends really well on my skin tone, so I didn't really kind of like go in and add any makeup. And it also comes with an adjustable band on it that has like these rubbery grips to like grip on your head better. And then it comes with 3 clips, 2 clips on the side and then 1 clip at the bottom. And this is how it looks against my skin for reference. Now I came across this technique on TikTok when I saw a few girls doing like their closure sew-in installs and basically taking some mascara and putting it on the sides where your hair is going to be, not where the part is, but just where like the edge of the wig is, and automatically you can see it's already like blending into what the hair looks like. You want it to look seamless as possible, but of course leaving that part area untouched. Now I did see some people go in where the part is with like some concealer to lighten it up. In this case I didn't really need to do that. It was already like pre-bleached and kind of like matched with my scalp color, but this definitely helped make it look seamless. I actually just made a whole separate like second twist like right here alongside where that anchor braid is. I'm actually going to anchor the wig right here and pretty much only have hair left out where the 5x5 ends, so about like right here. So I only left this much out. I feel like the less the better in terms of leave out. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Let's see how that looks. So like I said, I'm just going in and making a second twist that I'm going to also tuck behind the ear where that ankle braid is, because I just had to literally leave less hair out, which actually ended up working perfectly fine. You just need a little bit of hair left out to cover the edge area of where you cut around the lace. Now this is what I call my lazy braid down. As you see, I just kind of tucked that behind the ear where that anchor braid was, and then the larger section in the back, those are just 2 French braids that I like wrapped around each other. So as I put it on, again, the 2 clips on the side will be anchored on where those 2 twists and braids are, and then boom, literally I just lined it up with my part. And this is before I even put any product on, but do y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. That mascara trick definitely works. So now I'm going to go in and add some curl cream. Any curl cream of your choice will work. And I'm going to take gel on my edges, and I kind of like put it on the top of the wig too, just to kind of like have it molded down. I always like doing like the wet look whenever I like blend in my curls with any curly units. It just tends to like blend the best when I do it this way. But all I'm simply doing is just making sure it's on the perimeter of my hair. You can also go in and add another layer of foaming mousse on top of this if you really want it to be super molded. But all that I did was just take some gel, and I also put curl cream on my hair as well with that before I put the gel on top. And then I didn't rub the gel all throughout the hair too much, only in the front portion, because what I'm going to do is take some foaming mousse and just define the rest of the hair with foaming mousse and curl cream. And I am going to brush into it. That definitely just helps blend in your hair with the curls. But I am taking some Lotta Body foaming mousse. This is one of the strongest foaming mousses you can use, so that's exactly what I'm doing to just kind of help mold it even more. And then I'm going to take a scarf and tie the edges down, and y'all, that is where the magic is going to happen. But can we just take a moment to see how the curl pattern just literally blends into the unit so well? Like, I love that for me. And then I just go in and diffuse the unit for about 20 minutes. And I didn't like make sure it was completely dry. It was about 80% dry, but I just kind of do the same method that I would do on my regular hair. And these are how the results look. Y'all, look at that. Are you kidding me? Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm so glad I saw this technique. So shout out to the girls that actually do it with straight hair, because it definitely looks really good that way too. Very natural alternative look to do, especially during the summer. Like, if you wanted to get this sewn down, it would be such easy fix, very low maintenance, because you literally only have a centimeter of leave out. Okay, do y'all see that? I love this. Like, I honestly could imagine you dipping into the pool with this sewn down and you should be fine. And just up close for you guys to see. Now, I personally would still kind of go in with some makeup and kind of like make it, you know, less of a line of demarcation. But for the most part, it looks really, really good, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about this technique in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.